Here comes the jumper from Ballesteros District, aiming for 4 and 6. He goes up and he made it. He crossed the bar at 4 and 6. Okay, so next to jump is our jumper. Ulitin po natin. All the way from Alakapan North in dark blue. Kanina lang po nakita natin ang jumper mula sa distrito ng Ballesteros, making it clear at 4 and 6. Okay? Taking all his time. Kinakailangan mag-concentrate ang ating jumper. No. Ito, Lasam. He's making it. Oh, he failed to cross the bar. That's Lasam. 178. Ito na ngayon ang Alakapan North. So, yung previous jumper kanina ay from Lasam, no? Arellano. Okay, from Ballesteros again. This is Arellano trying to cross the bar at 4-6. He jumped. Yes, and he made it. Arellano of Ballesteros District crossing the bar at 4 and 6. And another jumper from Alakapan North. There he goes and he jumped. Oh, sumapit ng konti. And from Lasam, our athlete in red. Lasam now will try to cross it the way the two jumpers did it. Yes, and there goes. Wow, sumabit ang Lasam jumper. Oy! Jumper. Oh.